Welcome to the Copperfield Electric Podcast. This is the brief on Southern California's all-electric rebuilding. Updating Orange County homes is rapidly shifting from gas to all-electric systems for better air quality, safety, and efficiency. As your family-owned 24/7 experts at Copperfield Electric, license 1094740, we handle these exact upgrades across Irvine, Anaheim, Santa Ana, Costa Mesa, and Newport Beach. So before starting a project, here are 3 things you gotta know. First, the electrical panel is the core. Older homes often have 100-amp panels, but modern upgrades like Level 2 EV chargers, heat pumps, and induction stoves require 200 amps. Think of the panel as your home's heartbeat. If it literally can't pump enough power, the whole system stalls. Upgrading sounds pricey, but there's a reason to do it right now. Second, financial incentives are available. The Southern California Edison Charge Ready Home program offers rebates for panel upgrades when installing a Level 2 EV charger. Why leave money on the table when you're making the jump to cleaner energy? Just know these programs have specific timing, income, and location rules, so early planning is an absolute must. Since you're already upgrading the panel and getting an EV charger, you shouldn't stop your planning there. Finally, holistic system planning avoids repeat work. If you design an ADU or want a battery backup later, your main panel might not support it. Seriously, don't just electrify unthinkingly. It is critical to get a load calculation from a licensed electrician first, so you plan for battery readiness, solar, and ADUs all at once, avoiding paying to open walls a second time. Ultimately, smart whole-home electrical planning saves you money and future headaches, and Copperfield Electric's 24/7 team is ready to help you get it done right.